love that sound so much.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Georgia, Central some in West Central Georgia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from near Byronville to Methvinston near Plains, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Julian Sumter County.
Locations impacted include Americus, Unadilla, Plains, Byronville, Pinehurst, Lilly, Dooling, New Era, Flint River WMA, Pennington, Drayton, Maddox, and Methvins. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The severe thunder...
Sorry, what?